Parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is the division of the autonomic nervous system commonly known as rest and digest. It acts to conserve body energy by controlling the activity of internal organs. This animation will demonstrate how the parasympathetic nervous system acts on the heart. The neural pathway of the parasympathetic nervous system consists of two neurons that synapse in a ganglion. These are the preganglionic neuron, which means before the ganglion, and the postganglionic neuron, which means after the ganglion. The preganglionic neuron transmits signals from the central nervous system to the ganglia, which contain the cell bodies of the postganglionic neurons. The two neurons synapse at the ganglion. The postganglionic neuron carries signals from the ganglion to the target organ, e.g. the heart. The cell bodies of the preganglionic parasympathetic neurons are located in the brainstem nuclei of some cranial nerves, 3, 7, 9, and 10, and spinal cord levels S2 to S4. This is why parasympathetic outflow is commonly referred to as craniosacral. The parasympathetic ganglia are located close to the target organ. This arrangement means that the preganglionic parasympathetic neurons have long axons compared to the postganglionic parasympathetic neurons. Another important difference between the pre- and postganglionic neurons is that the preganglionic neuron is myelinated, whereas the postganglionic neuron is not. Both the pre- and postganglionic parasympathetic neurons use the same neurotransmitter, acetylcholine. However, this neurotransmitter acts on different receptors. In response to an action potential, the preganglionic neuron releases acetylcholine. This acts on nicotinic receptors located on the postganglionic parasympathetic neuron. The postganglionic parasympathetic neuron then releases acetylcholine, which acts on muscarinic receptors of the target organ. As the signal sent through the vagus nerve, this causes a decrease in heart rate and contractility.